My girls are coming. Yes, my girls are coming. Because they know I got some treats. Come on, sugar. Oh, Peanut Butter's mad because he wants some.
Yeah, I will give him some. Okay. I'll give Peanut Butter these.
You gonna give Peanut Butter those?
Yeah.
Okay.
Peanut Butter's really hungry.
Well, you just throw them in there and they'll get them.
Okay.
Oh.
Peanut Butter, we're coming.
What is it, Peanut Butter? You know we're coming. We ain't gonna forget our boy. We're not gonna forget our boy. Look at there. We ain't gonna forget y'all. John, just put them in there, babe.
Peanut Butter is getting some.
Oh, he'll get them. Oh, there you go there, boys and girls. What you doing, Brownie? What you doing, Brownie?
Brownie.
Oh, I gave it to her.
Brownie. Oh, eat it.
She won't eat it out of your hand. Clucker will. Look, hold it. This one. Cluck, cluck. Cluck, cluck. Look, cluck, cluck. Clucky. Clucker. Look. Slide back. Watch. No, you got to hold it open like this. Watch.
Your horse?
No, she's a little rough, but oh, that was Frizzy.
Frizzy.
Yeah, Frizzle. That one's name is Frizzle. Frizzle, hold your.
It tickles.
I know. Here, hold your hand open like this. That's Cluck Cluck. Here, Luce. Or Caroline.
Okay.
Frizzle. Girl, easy.
Okay.
Come here. Come here, sugar. Sugar. Come here, sugar.
Probably Brownie.
Look. Hey, you gonna snap off my finger? Jeez. Here, Peanut Butter. Peanut Butter's real gentle.
Whoa.
He's real gentle.
I'm going to feed him.
Just hold it in your hand just like that. You gotta hold your hand out, John.
Yes, he is.
He's more gentle than the hens.
Other chickens.
Yes. Hold it up a little bit. Hold your hand out and I'll give it to you. Both hands. Now hold your hands out and is that funny?
Yeah. He's going.
I know. He's sweet with it.
Yeah. He is sweet.
Hold your hands out. Eating out of John's hand.
Both of them are.
Yeah, Nibbles will get it.
Peanut Butter.
I need to see how much.
Can I go in there and feed it to him?
Just feed him. Just feed him right here with it.
That.
What?
I'm scared. I don't want to do it like that.
He'll do it easy. Look, he does it real good. Do it. Hold it up a little bit right here.
It's so good. You heard him sneeze before? It's so cute.
I don't think so. He's easier than the hens.
He is?
Yes. Addison, watch. I know, but I don't want him getting a little irritated because he gets startled.
Hey, peanut butter. God, he is.
I told you he's very gentle.
There you go. Yeah, he is.
He's gentler than the hens.
I think Nibbles is the roughest one.
I don't know. Hey.
Peanut butter. What's that black one is with? Black one's with? Ow, ow, ow!
Easy.
One was holding me. That one was holding me. Make sure to subscribe and like to see more.